In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Steam to your Marvel Rivals account. This is a quick setup process, and once it's done, it can make signing in much easier by linking your Steam account directly with Marvel Rivals. If you're ready, let's go step by step and make sure everything is connected properly. First, go to the official Marvel Rivals website. Make sure you're on the correct site before entering any account information. This is important anytime you're linking a gaming account, since you want to avoid unofficial pages or copycat login screens. Once the site has fully loaded, look around the top area of the page for the account access options. Next, click the Log In button. This will open the sign-in process for Marvel Rivals. Depending on your browser or device, the login prompt may appear as a pop-up window or as a separate sign-in panel on the page. If nothing appears right away, give it a second to load and make sure your browser is not blocking pop-ups. At this point, you should see a window asking you to log in to your account. This is the stage where Marvel Rivals gives you different ways to sign in. Take a moment to look at the available login options so you can choose the correct one for the account you want to connect. From there, click the Steam icon. This tells the site that you want to use your Steam account as your login method and begin the account connection process. If you're already signed into Steam in your browser, this step may move very quickly. If not, you'll be taken to the Steam sign-in screen. Now, sign into your Steam account. Enter your Steam login details on the official Steam page and complete any required verification steps, such as a security code or authentication approval if SteamGuard is enabled. After you successfully sign in, Steam should authorize the connection and return you to the Marvel Rivals website. Once that's complete, your Steam account should be connected to Marvel Rivals. It's a good idea to check that you're fully signed in on the Marvel Rivals site afterward, just to confirm everything worked correctly. If the page doesn't update right away, try refreshing it or signing out and back in again using Steam. And that's it. You've now connected Steam to your Marvel Rivals account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.